This is the Teltex In-line Audio Amplifier. This is option 1, a headset with boom mic. The kit includes a USB charging cable, a 12-inch audio cable, a 4-inch audio cable for shorter connections, a USB car charger, a USB home charger, a splitter smart plug, a heavy-duty strap, a headphone amplifier, a headset with boom mic, a user guide, a quick setup guide, and a convenient velvet black carry bag. The first thing that we'll need to do is make sure that the headphone amplifier is fully charged. We'll use the USB charging cable and connect the small end of the cable to the back end of the headphone amplifier. Now we'll take the bigger end of the USB connector and insert it into the wall charger. Or we can connect it to the car charger if we're traveling. Once the headphone amplifier is completely charged, we'll disconnect the cables and the charger and set it to the side. Next, we'll connect the inline amplifier to the audio source and to the headset with boom mic. We'll be using the in port on the amplifier and connecting the 12-inch audio cable that's marked with yellow cables to the in port on the inline amplifier. The other end that's marked yellow will connect to the yellow marking on the smart splitter plug. Yellow to yellow. Next, we'll take the headset and the connector that's labeled red, and we'll connect that to the splitter smart plug on the red side. Again, red to red. Now we'll connect the green connector from the headset with boom mic to the out port on the inline amplifier. And now we're ready to connect the smart splitter plug to an audio source like an iPad or an iPhone. Once we have the inline amplifier connected to our audio source, like the iPad in this case, now we need to turn on the inline amplifier and adjust the volume, which increases the volume in the headphones. You can also connect an iPhone or other Apple device that has a lightning connector if it doesn't offer a 3.5mm audio connector. You have to have this lightning to 3.5mm dongle in order to accomplish this. Just connect it to the lightning connection on the iPhone and then insert the smart splitter adapter into the dongle, and now you have an amplified iPhone.